Hello, this is Michael from Trike Bike, and today we're going to talk about changing the display speeds from Imperial to metric. We start by turning the Tricycle on by pressing and holding the on button. The display will come on, it'll adjust for the lighting conditions, and we're ready to go. At the moment you can see it's in miles per hour, which is not what we want. So we're going to press and hold both the plus and the minus button at the same time. It'll bring up the following menu. Press the on-off button momentarily, it'll bring up a new menu, and then we'll press the minus button and go down to unit. Momentarily press the on and off button and you'll see Imperial. We press the minus button to change that from Imperial to metric. Momentarily press the on-off button and it'll take us back to the main menu, and then we can press multiple times on the minus button and it will take us all the way down to the setting back. Press the on and off button, press the minus button, and that'll take us to exit. Then press the on button again and you'll see the display has been reset to kilometres per hour. Thank you for watching.